Hello guys, today we're gonna make a new Google Sites, how to make a Google site. So if you want to make a new Google site, press here. And by the way, the Zeki info with the dash into .com, that's not my real domain. I'll tell you it in the end. So yeah. So you can just make a site. You can just edit whatever. Like this, demo, new demo, a demo site. You can also add a logo, favicon, which is the thing up there. Even a logo, we're not gonna add that today because it's not my main site. This is just a demo, as I said. You can also change the background of that image, select or upload. I'm not gonna do that right now. You can also embed like this. You can also send links. This for YouTube. Yeah, a link. So yeah, a link. So we can add layouts, picture or video. Hello. Demo. So yeah, that's how we do it. You can also do Google Drive, images, everything. But it's kind of basic like this, YouTube embed. You can also add pages like this. If you want to press the plus sign, the name of the new page, like this. Yeah, you can edit the same thing, and you can do themes like this. And if you want to share, you can also add their email, like here. It's here. That. So yeah. And then settings, brand images. I'll show you how to make a free domain next time. So yeah.